Okay, I ended up spending a little too much time trying to get the hood open, so I decided to start a second video. So look underneath here and you'll see we've got really minimal rust. The only thing I can see is that this thing was white at one time. You can see here that the paint was white because we've got, you know, parts of the fenders and frame and shock towers are white. Firewall is white. But I want you to pay attention to the amount of corrosion on here. There is basically nothing. Really clean. And look inside of here. Right? Really minimal corrosion, which is something that you really want to pay attention to on an older car like this. Okay, and this has got looks like an aluminum hood. It's definitely super light. Boss ink. Okay, so I'm going to get this running. It's got a distributor, I see. So let's get it running and have a listen. 202, 510 kilometers. Let's have a listen to it idle. Going back and have a listen to the tailpipe as well. Looks like it's got some sort of an aftermarket alarm on here. And I see wiring for an aftermarket stereo. Again, take a look on here, you'll see peeling. Have a listen to the exhaust. See over here? Yeah, minimal rust. Window tint is shot on the back. That could probably stand to be redone. And the interior is quite clean. It's got some funky homemade door panel speaker closures here. The rest of it is very little wear on the seat, a little bit of a tear going on where you get in and out. Looks like at some point we had some sort of a homemade armrest in here. It was kind of cute, but I guess there was nothing there at one point. We've got a Momo shifter and an aftermarket steering wheel. Wipers are working. Let's try all the accessories. Power windows on the right. Power locks are not working. Power window on the right is working. Let's try the heater. Good, and it's coming out hot, which is good because it's cold today. Okay, we'll turn that off. Okay, we'll get our lights on in here. Try our four-ways. Let's go and check everything out. See what we got. Okay, so we got lights, we got four-ways. The one thing I did want to show you is the wheels. Obviously that's a pony wheel and that's a Cobra wheel. So that's all that we have available with this. Okay, we don't have, we got one fog light out. We don't have the original wheel. Okay, I'm going to close this up. Tires are shot. You just see, you know, cracking, dry rot. That's no good. I certainly wouldn't drive it that way. A little bit of a cut there. tires smell. It's no better. It's just dry rot cracking. I would say all 4 tires need replacing. So overall, I mean, the car runs good. Looks good. Sounds good. It's going to need some TLC if you want it to be perfect. But the good thing is, you know, the shock towers, and there's minimal corrosion there, and there's just minimal corrosion overall on the entire vehicle. So if you have any other questions, like I said, give me a call, 289-259-6054. It's Rob at Next Truck Sales. Thanks. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.